I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Welcome to RC Daddy, guys. Thank you very much for stopping in to check out this little short trip through the Welsh Mountains. I was down in Wales for birthday, what they called the birthday party, and catch up with my family who live in the beautiful Welsh Mountains. This video was kind of thrown together clutch. It is a little bit rough around the edges, there's some out of focus shots and stuff, but I had to get the Rock Van Builders Kit completely built, sprayed and up into the mountains. And if it wasn't for my sister-in-law Nicola, thank you Nicola, taking my nephew James and me up into the mountains to get this footage, I probably just wouldn't have got it done. I was going to do a full video of the build, but there's those already out on the internet. I didn't want to bore you guys with that, so I thought I'll just get it together. I'll get some beautiful footage of it up in the mountain, which I'm hoping I did. And then I thought I'd just give you a summary of what I thought of the Builders Kit. So you may have noticed that I didn't mask off the windows when I sprayed the body. I found the masks very fiddly to put on, and one of the things that frustrated me, and this isn't really a criticism of the kit, I found it difficult getting the wing mirrors and stuff fitted to the body, and that's just because I suffer with a bit of arthritis and I've got big sausage fingers, so it wasn't really that easy for me to do it. I'm sure you guys would have no problem that all said, I'm really happy with how my truck came out. I'm naming this one the Ghost Maker. I've got some more stickers and stuff that I'm actually gonna do a little video. I may have come across a little sticker solution for you guys that you might not have seen before. You may notice in the window of Moggi coming up the hill that there's like a little skull in the window. You see that guy there, and the little stickers, the chilies on the roof and tit on the front of the bonnet there, or hood, you guys say in America. Yeah, anyway, that video will be coming up shortly. And as you can see here, the Ghost Maker showing off a little bit for you guys on this climb. Super pleased with how it came out. Anyway guys, I'm gonna let this one roll. Bye for now.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small,